who doesn't like a good rumor? Well, the stock market certainly does. As Archer Aviation stock attempted to get over $14 again, it was loving the speculation that it might be partnering with Tesla. The rally was sparked by a social media video showing Archer's electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft alongside Tesla products, charging up investor excitement, especially as Tesla recently teased an event featuring electric aircraft, which many linked to Archer. Though for now, a Tesla partnership remains speculative, as neither company has confirmed any formal agreement. Even without Tesla talk, Archer's driven strong optimism on its own with technical milestones and partnerships. The company successfully completed test flights of its Midnight aircraft, including one reaching 10,000 feet and another covering 55 miles in 21 minutes. Archer has also secured critical FAA certifications and formed legitimate partnerships with United Airlines and Stellantis. It's also set to provide air taxi services during the 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. Internationally, Archer recently secured a $500 million order for 100 Midnight aircraft from Japan's Ascencore Corporation. Ascencore, a joint venture between Japan Airlines and Sumitomo Corporation, has selected Archer Aviation's Midnight aircraft for air taxi services in Osaka Prefecture, making Archer the only U.S. eVTOL manufacturer directly involved in launching air taxi operations in Japan. Going one step up from speculative posts to a few uplifting words, Figma's stock seemed to get a new lease on life after being featured in a keynote speech by OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman at the company's Dev Day event. Altman highlighted the integration of Figma with ChatGPT, demonstrating how users could easily transition from sketching a product flow to having Figma turn that sketch into a workable diagram, illustrating the seamless collaboration between the two platforms. The partnership places Figma at the forefront of AI-driven design tools, potentially boosting its profile and business. With ChatGPT's massive user base of over 800 million monthly users, the increased visibility from the integration could significantly enhance Figma's usage and adoption. Over in quantum computing, Rigetti Computing secured $5.7 million in purchase orders for two 9-qubit Novera quantum computing systems. These systems are upgradable, allowing customers to increase the number of qubits for more complex computations and research. Delivery for the systems is projected for the first half of 2026. The orders came from an Asian technology manufacturer and a California-based AI and applied physics startup. The Asian company plans to use the Novera system as a testbed to develop its own quantum computing expertise and validate its quantum technologies. The California startup will use the system for quantum hardware and error correction research. Rigetti's Novera system is designed to advance quantum computing research, particularly in areas like qubit operation, control system optimization, gate characterization, and the development of more efficient quantum algorithms. Other recent Rigetti achievements include the launch of the Cepheus 136Q quantum processor, which delivered a 2x reduction in 2-qubit gate error rates compared to the previous Ankaa 3 system. Indeed, performance has been improving, with a median 2-qubit gate fidelity of 99.5%. As for the battery business, KULR Technology Group launched its next-generation battery management system, KBMS, designed for mission-critical applications in defense, terrestrial, and spacecraft power systems. The system is available in two configurations: a cost-effective version using commercial chipsets protected from radiation, and a premium version with radiation-tolerant components throughout. This new system features advanced reliability with dual redundant hardware, radiation-tolerant chipsets, lower impedance MOSFETs for energy efficiency, and recalibration capabilities to restore accuracy, potentially reducing lifecycle costs and downtime compared to traditional systems that require replacement after calibration drift. The KBMS system is now available for design-in and qualification programs, specifically targeting space, defense, and other mission-critical markets. The product's immediate availability, alongside KULR's strengthening financial position and 36% revenue growth over the last 12 months, positions the company as an emerging player in high-tech energy systems for critical industries. KULR reported its first-ever quarterly profit in Q2 2025, with earnings per share of 22 cents and revenue of $4 million, 14% above analysts' expectations. It also launched 6 new commercial versions of its KULR One Space CubeSat battery line, further expanding its offerings for the space sector. These Space CubeSat batteries range in capacities from 100 to 500 watt-hours. The new battery line includes 3 distinct categories: the Passive Propagation Resistant (PPR) series, designed for orbital and deep space missions using NASA-proven PPR architecture; lightweight models optimized for mass savings; and customizable versions for specific mission requirements. These new batteries integrate KULR's advanced thermal management and safety technologies, which have been used by organizations like NASA, the U.S. Department of Defense, and various commercial space companies. The PPR-enabled models aim to provide high safety standards while maintaining robust energy density performance, critical for space applications. Produced at KULR's facility in Webster, Texas, the new CubeSat batteries are immediately available for commercial orders. Growing presence in the space sector and expanding KULR's offerings beyond thermal management and energy storage solutions. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.